Find expressions for consecutive integers, even and odd numbers. Okay, in proof, consecutive integers can be written as, if the first one's n, then the next consecutive integer will be n plus 1, and the following one will be n plus 2, etc. And if you went backwards, then the next one here would be n minus 1. This is worth remembering. Now, for even numbers, if we make a table n, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., and then we'll start with the even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, we can just look at this one here. We can see that this is 2 times 1. This is 2 times 2, which is 4. This is 2 times 3, which is 6. And this is 2 times 4, which is 8. So we can see that the expression for even numbers will be 2n. And then for odd numbers, slightly a bit more difficult. So we've got n, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to make the first odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now you can see this by, let's just look at this one. This number here is one more than this number here. This number here is one more than this even number here. This number here is one more than this even number here. And this one is one more than this even number here. So odd numbers are one more than the even number. So that's going to be 2n plus 1. And therefore, in conclusion, even numbers are represented by 2n and odd numbers are represented by 2n plus 1. This is worth remembering. Note, if you require consecutive even numbers, then the first one will be 2n, then the next one number will be 2n plus 1, 2 away. The one after that will be 2n plus 4, etc. And if you required consecutive odd numbers, then the first one is 2n plus 1, the next one will be 2n plus 2 more, which is 2n plus 3, and then this will be 2 more than this one, which is 2n plus 5. So this has been a video to show you how to show algebraically consecutive numbers, and also consecutive even numbers and consecutive odd numbers. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.